Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Chevy Impala and I will show you which relay to check in case your rear defroster is not working. This video will apply to Chevy Impalas made from 2006 all the way up to 2013 and Chevy Impala Limited made from 2014 to 2016. Now, to the best of my knowledge, there is no specific fuse to check for the rear defroster, but there is a relay which often fails, and hopefully that will be your problem. So the rear defogger relay will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood. Right here, to remove this cover, you will have two black tabs, one on the right side and one on the left side. So you want to pull up onto each of those tabs. Once you have removed the cover, on the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram which can also come in handy. And the relay you want to check is located right here. Now, probably the easiest way to test it, just try to replace it with one of the same kind, for example this one, and see if that makes any difference, and hopefully this will fix your problem. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.